Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to edit picture like this in Lightroom? Then follow my steps and watch video till end. Open the app and add picture. First go to Profile and select Artistic 3, increase its value to 171, and click on Done. Now go to the light, increase whites to 21. After this go to the color. Increase temperature to 16. Tint to 30 and decrease vibrance to -19. Now go to the mix color, select orange. Increase its hue to 70. Decrease saturation to -20. And increase luminance to 21. Now select yellow. Decrease its hue to -100. Increase saturation to 90. And decrease luminance to -12. Now select green. Decrease its hue to -100. And increase saturation to 51. Now select blue. Decrease its hue to -41. Increase saturation to 49. And decrease luminance to -12 and click on Done. After this go to the effects. Increase texture to 10. Clarity to 26. And decrease dehaz to -03 and vignette to -39. Now set midpoint value to 40 and feather value to 90. Then go to the detail. Increase sharpening to 22. Noise reduction to 20 and color noise reduction to 10. So friends, your picture is ready to export. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more amazing videos.